Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect StarTrader to MT5 in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to download and install the MT5 application on your device, either from Google Play Store or App Store, depending on the device that you are using. Afterwards, the second thing that you need to have is the MT5 login credentials from StarTrader. So in the application or on your StarTrader dashboard, you can get your MT5 credentials. That includes the MT5 server, the login ID and the password. So after getting these three things from StarTrader dashboard, you need to come inside your MT5 app. You are going to see its interface just like this one. Now tap on the option of add trading account on the home page. Now it will ask you to find the broker over here. So you need to simply paste that particular server which you have got from your StarTrader dashboard. After pasting it, when you are able to find it in the list, simply tap on it. Now you need to provide your login ID and the password, and then simply tap on the option of login. You don't need to change anything. You don't need to basically do anything differently. You just have to get the MT5 login credentials from StarTrader dashboard, and then you need to paste them over here. So when you tap on the option of login, you will be able to connect your StarTrader account to MT5. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.